to get somewhat clear, more clear information about the switch, here one figure of the torchlight is given. See in this, with the light, one wire is connected to the switch. From the switch, the wire is connected with the next end of the batteries. Here two cells are used, so we can say it is a battery. So we are saying it as battery light, isn't it? Torch light. So in that, I will show, I have a miniature of the a small torch light, and see here we have 3 cells, so it is a battery and each work like a switch. Now the switch is not connected, the circuit is not a complete one, so it is not working. So this is another part of the torch light. The switch and this is connected to each other. When we switch on this, see, when we switch on this, the bulb will glow. The bulb will glow. Now it also failed one, fuse. The bulb got fused because these are very delicate things we have to handle with carefully. So like that, switch is a device for our needing time. For our wish, we can close the circuit, otherwise break the circuit and allow the appliances to work or stop. So in the next activity, activity 5, instead of the safety pin, I am using the key. Here, safety pin also made up of what? Is it made up of by plastic? No, it's some other metals. And also the key also made by some metal, isn't it? I use the key. When the key is connected with the two ends of these two wires, the bulb will glow. The bulb will glow. So instead of the safety pin, we can use the key also. So if I took the one end of the key and put it another in any other directions, the circuit will break, so the bulb won't go. Again, I am connecting the end of the key and the other wire. The circuit is a closed one, so it will work. In the same thing, see, this is a cover of the battery. It is made up of plastic. So in the same place, if I use this one, if I use this plastic strip, otherwise this cover, plastic cover here, the bulb is not glowing. See, I am not changing the position of this plastic cover, the plastic strip. It is still connected with the two ends of the two wires. It seems the the circuit is closed and the bulb also in good condition. The filament is not break, even though the circuit is not the bulb is not glowing. Do you know why? What happening when we are using the key? When we are using the key, the bulb is glowing. When we are using the key, the bulb is glowing. When we are using the plastic strip, the bulb is not glowing. Do you know what is the reason for this? Yes. The key is a conductor of electric current, but the plastic strip is the insulator. What? Insulator. Insulator means the material which doesn't allow the current pass through it. That is called insulator, poor conductor. But some kind of materials which allow the current pass through it is called conductors. So here we used the safety pin and also the key, which are all made up of metals, some kind of metals, mostly iron, otherwise any other kind of metals. So on that time the bulb has glow. So the metals are conducting the electricity, but when we are used this plastic strip, otherwise any other wood, rubber, those things, when we are using to complete the circuit, on those times the bulb won't glow. So that means the plastics, rubber, wood, those are insulator. It won't allow the current pass through it. So we are using, for wiring we are using what? The good conductors. See in these wires, see inside it is a metal part. Through this it is red in color, so it is the metal copper. So through this the current will flow. But what about this red color? It is a covering. See this, it is in blue color covered, it is covered with red color. These are the rubbers. Rubbers are, yes, insulators. It won't allow the current pass through it. So even when the current is flowing through these wires, we can hold like this. The current won't affect it, means we won't get the current shock. So we are using these insulators as cover to cover the conductors, to prevent from the electric shock, to avoid the electric shock. Okay students, so today we studied about the electric switches and also conductor and the insulators.